Hi, this is Mohamed Ibrahim, and I am a senior travel consultant who helped over the past few years thousands of travelers and tourists to fly to different cities all over the globe by organizing for them the holiday package from the early beginning to the end, and also by planning for them the best travel options in accordance with their desires, preferences, and their financial capabilities. Since my graduation in 2009 from the Faculty of Tourism and Hotel Management, I became more interested in tourism and the aviation industries. From my life experience, I have noticed that there are a lot of people spend a lot of money to buy a hassle holiday package due to their lack of geographical knowledge, unaware about the best itinerary for the cities you want to visit, unaware about the accommodation types within the city, and unsure about the transportation methods within the same city or between different cities. So I devoted my planning skills and geographical knowledge and my expertise in airline ticketing by using Invideo selling platform and mastering the Microsoft Office tools to help this type of frustrated travelers by arranging and facilitating for them the most convenient travel package they can get with a reasonable price. After working for multinational companies like Qatar Airways and Qatar Olympic Committee, I can say that I have reached my highest potential in travel advising. One of my great achievements with QOC, Qatar Olympic Committee, is that I had the opportunity to travel with Qatar Federation to Rio de Janeiro in 2016 in order to attend the Olympic Games and to be responsible for issuing and reissuing the airline tickets for the different sport federation and to book the hotel reservations for them as well. If you are looking for a focused, organized, highly self-motivated individual with entrepreneurial mindset, I'm your candidate. Thank you for watching.